right, Alexis. So this is the second or third video I'm going to make for you, and I'm going to post this for actually everybody, but this is just a review. So if you look on page 19 and 20 of the homework that I assigned you, this is what that practice is going to be for. So you should already have watched the other two videos that I sent you on base 10 stuff. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you how to do this. So if you're given an expression like this, 2 times 10 to the third, I don't want you to panic. I want you to breathe and understand what the problem is telling you to do. So the problem is telling you to multiply 2 times whatever 10 to the third equals. So what you're going to have to do first is figure out how much 10 to the third really equals. And we already know how to do that because we've been practicing that for 3 days. So you're going to do 10 times 10 times 10. You're multiplying 10 3 times. Remember, the exponent tells you how many times you're going to multiply whatever the base is. And you can either multiply this doing 10 times 10, which is 100, and the 100 times 10 is 1,000. Or how I want you to do it is 1 times 1 times 1 is 1, and then you just add the zeros, which is 1, 2, 3, which is 1,000. And now all you do is bring down this number, which is then 2 times 1,000, and our answer is now 2,000. That is all we did today on top of just practicing exponential form, standard form, which is the value of an exponent, or writing an expression as an exponent and vice versa. So I'm going to go ahead and give you 2 more problems to give you practice. So if I were to give you 10 to the fourth, how you would have to do that is write it as an expression and then give me the value of it, standard form. So in this case, I'm multiplying 10 4 times each. So 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. Remember, 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. And then you add the zeros, which is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. The answer is 10,000. Okay? And then the last example that I'm going to give you is, let's do 6 times 10 to the fourth. Again, before you even try to multiply this times this, you got to figure out what this is. Well, I know that 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 is 10,000. I bring down the 6. 6 times 10,000 is 60,000. So that is all you're doing, sweetheart. Just make sure you figure out how much the exponent is, multiply it by the whole number, and you're going to get your answer, okay?